Hello everyone! If you have already completed KYC on Pi Network, you can now explore Pet for Pi, also known as PFP is a platform where you can collect and trade digital pet NFTs. There are many different animals available, including cats, dogs, pigs, and more. Each NFT has its own appearance and value, and users can buy, sell, and collect them. One interesting feature is breeding. You can pair compatible NFTs to create a new pet NFT. The original pets are often called Generation 0, Gen 0, while the new offspring are known as Generation 1, Gen 1. Different generations and designs may have different market values depending on user interest. You can create your own listings and set your own selling prices. In a way, it's like having your own digital NFT store where you can buy, sell, and manage your collection. Besides trading, you can also take care of your digital pets by feeding and managing them within the platform. This adds another fun activity for collectors and community members. Many people have already joined the platform and participate in the marketplace every day. As with any marketplace, prices can go up or down, and buying or selling always involves risk. If you would like to join, please check the link in the description. Follow the registration steps and enter the invitation code when requested. The invitation code is provided along with the registration information. Please note that this opportunity is currently intended for users who have already completed KYC on Pi Network. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to do your own research before participating in any NFT or digital asset platform.